Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add focus to Do Not Disturb mode in MacBook Air. And to do this we'll need to open our system settings. Inside select the focus. Here's Do Not Disturb mode and we can add another focus. Now there's a few different options. There's pre-made gaming, mindfulness, personal, reading and work. You can also click on the custom to create your own custom focus. Name it. And here you can adjust its settings like allowed people, allowed apps inside this focus, set the schedules for it and also change focus filters. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.